nitrous,
Too long.
full stroker.
Full build.
Too much because it's a 3-valve.
We see fucking procharger.
Head,
I see your gold wrap. That's fucking adding tons of power.
That's all my power is my gold wrap.
I know. I did the same thing to my fucking Cobra Jet. I did it underneath and shit. I did the foam pad.
I mean, I hope it helps. I don't know if it helps.
So you got headers, you got cams, right?
Yeah.
Are you built motor yet?
No.
Built trans?
Nope. Oh yeah, built trans. Yeah. Getting gears.
No
gears.
stall though.
Yeah, it's literally very small 2000 stall.
All right.
Pretty much a moot thing right now.
Literally, yeah.
Until it actually makes power.
Well, at first it's because I didn't race it enough, so when I needed the trans, they were like, "Oh, don't get a big stall." I'm like, okay. And then after I got the trans, I was like, "Oh, my car can handle this."